Hey y'all, and welcome to Fitness with Meg. Today we are here with my little workout buddy Cinnamon. She is one of my dogs who decided to join us on this workout video. And we have a standing step leg workout video today. So go ahead and grab a step if you have one. If not, you can still do these moves on the floor without one. So let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so our first two moves are Bulgarian split squats. So we are going to start with our left leg back up on top of the step here. So our toe is here, and we are going to go ahead and come down into lunges here. So our right foot is on top of the step here, and we are just lunging down, coming down. Make sure that your right knee does not go over your right toe here. We don't want to get injured here. So we're coming down, and then we lift right back all the way up to the top. Y'all got this. This is a great variation of those lunges. It's a great way to work and tone your thighs as well as your glutes. So come down and up and down and up. So we just have 1 minute of this, and then we will switch on to that other side here, and then we have 2 moves after that. So y'all got this. Keep it up. So this is another video in our step workout series. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's switch here by bringing that right toe up on top of the step here. And let's go ahead and begin. So we have 1 whole minute of this here, of this Bulgarian split squat. So we come down and then we lift up. Down and lifting up. So like I said earlier, this is the first video of this standing leg workout. So we have other step videos on my channel, so if you want to know how to work out with a step, be sure to check out my step playlist. We have some great videos for how to use a step to work on those arms, those abs, and we even have a stretch video as well. So y'all got this. I love variation in my workouts, and using a workout step is a great way to do this. So if you don't have a step and you still want to do this workout, you can do this move without a step. You can just have your leg on the ground and be doing regular lunges. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so our next move, we are going to step up on here, onto the step, and we're gonna squat, and then we're gonna step down. So we just have 1 minute of this here. So stepping up and squatting down. And we're stepping up and squatting down. So this gets a little bit of cardio as well because we're walking up onto the step and then stepping off of it. So y'all got this. If you need to look down the entire time to make sure that you're not tripping or falling off the step, feel fine to do that. That's totally okay. We don't want you to get injured or to fall down or get hurt or anything. That would not be good. So step up and squat. Step down and then step up and squat again. So just 1 minute of this. This will go by relatively quickly. Y'all got this. Y'all are doing a great job. How do you like my cute little Halloween socks? There's some vampire teeth. I'm super excited to be wearing all of my Halloween socks. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, our next move is we're going to step up onto the step, then we're going to step down, and we're going to squat. So we have 1 full minute of this here. So stepping up and down and squat. So this is a great workout to tone those thighs and those glutes. So we're getting, once again, a little bit of cardio with this move because we're stepping up and stepping down. Y'all are doing a great job here. I'm so excited that y'all are joining with me on this workout. Wherever you are in your fitness journey, I'm glad that you're choosing to join me here. So after you finish this workout, if you're not going to do more workout videos, be sure to stretch. I have a few stretching videos on my channel. You can check out my playlist if you want to see more. And I even have a stretch video using that workout step. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Congrats on finishing this workout. I'm super proud of y'all. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you are not already, and I look forward to seeing you on Friday. Bye.